and welcome to the Living Ladder. Today I am doing my baby haul. So I have a daughter and I am now having a son. And this is everything we've got so far. I'm going to start with the smaller bits and moving up to the larger items. Some things are still in boxes, so I'll insert pictures if there's no picture in the box, so you can see. And I'll also try and link as much as possible below. Okay, so starting off here we have the Angel Care bath. This seemed like one of the most popular ones on Amazon. It was really reasonably priced, so that's why I went for it. I like the fact that you can obviously just pop the baby in there and you're not having to really do bath on one-handed like the original bath that we had. It did have like a little kind of net that you put them in, but it was still not as easy as this one. I think this will be much better, and it's actually a lot cheaper as well, so really excited to give this a try. So this is the changing mat that I went for the upstairs nursery. So it's obviously green and white. The brand, I think it's a Claire de Lune, and it's a wedge one, so this feels really thick and comfortable. I'm also going to have a little changing station set up downstairs as well, so I got the Mamas and Papas one with the fruit on. I thought it looked really cute to go downstairs. I got this little accessory kit from Tommy Tippy. I got actually this exact same one with my daughter, and she still has the scissors to this day, and they still work, and she's 13. So I definitely recommend this set. It pretty much lost everything else in there, but still got the scissors, and they still go and strong. So I got a fresh one. So you've got your thermometer in there, combs, brushes, little toothbrush, nail file, clippers, and scissors. And it's and it comes in a little case as well, which is really handy. I got a new breastfeeding pillow. I just went for a Mamas and Papas one. This was similar. I think I had the Boppy with my daughter, but I thought I'd just go for the Mamas and Papas one. I really like the print on this one, and I'm interested to see how much I use it. I didn't use it a ton with my first daughter, but I ended up getting a lot of back pain breastfeeding, so I think I'm going to try and use it a bit more and utilise it a bit more, but you can also use it for tummy time and other things as well. For a wrap, I went for the Mom Cozy 3-in-1 baby carrier. It's more structured, which I actually do like. I do have a Moby from my daughter, so we can use that from newborn, but this one is from £7 to £44. It's the star print one that I actually got, so it's navy blue with stars on. I'm excited to give this a try. So over the cart I got this Fisher-Price mobile. It's called Butterfly Dreams. It's the 3-in-1 projection, and it has these little cute, we were discussing what they were, bears on the obviously with the little butterfly wings on. You can also use it off the cot as well. So there it is up in the cot position, then you can use it off, and then you can also hang the toy over the pram as well. So it's a 3-in-1. I got a breastfeeding cover. I'm not sure how much I use it, but I wanted to get one just in case. I didn't actually have one with my first daughter and it was fine, but I just thought this time I would actually go for one and see what I think. So this is the Doomoo brand, which is a really funny name, but it also comes with like this little teething ring on it too, which I thought was kind of cool. And onto bedding. So we've got some mattress protectors. I got the Silent Night one, anti-allergy, 2 of those. And then I got a selection of the hooded towels. So there's a 2-pack, then these little cuddle robes, which are cute, and then this marshmallow hooded towel. And of course I had to get a little duck. I love the duck. So obviously you don't really need one. You can check the water temperature yourself just fine, but the novelty of it was cute. So it's a little room and bath thermometer. I just have a little cotton cellular shawl here. I did actually get a glider for the nursery, which I didn't have last time, but I didn't have any pets, so I could just sit down and breastfeed wherever I wanted without any issue, but I've got 6 dogs and a cat now. So I definitely needed a designated space where I can breastfeed, comfortably. So I decided to get a glider, and I got this Peter Rabbit cushion to go on it. And it has the little mushroom print on the back, so super cute. For monitor, I went for the VTech one. It's non-Wi-Fi, so we'll see how this one is. My last one that I had, it wasn't a VTech one, it was a Summer brand, I think. They actually recalled it due to battery life, which was kind of interesting because mine would always run out. You'd have to connect it to the mains quite quickly afterwards. So I'm hoping this one is going to be better, but it had reasonable reviews and it was reasonably priced as well. I did get a couple of little toys. I know they don't need them when they're a newborn, but I saw them and I thought, they're on sale, I'm going to get them. So I got this little game controller because my daughter has a Switch, and I thought it'd be fun for her brother to have a little game controller of his own. Then I got this little Sort and Discover drum. I know my daughter loved anything like this, putting things in and taking them out and stuff. This is a VTech toy. And I got this little Peter Rabbit, my first library, so it's got colours, numbers, shapes and words in. I think we still have the same one for my daughter, but obviously it's quite old now, so I wanted to get him his fresh little stack. I got this little baby gym. This is the Fisher-Price Learning Lights and Music one. So this is for 0 to 36 months, and obviously again you can use it in different stages, which I really like. So it lasts, you know, multi-purpose and lasts for a longer. I did actually buy a different gym before I saw this one. This was on sale. I thought I'd get them both, and then obviously we can alternate and see which one he prefers. But so that's the Fisher-Price Learning Lights and Music gym. This little Stack and Splash bath time boat set for some bath time fun. This is a VTech. These little cute first books. So it's my very first black and white book, Animals, Babies, Going Out and Faces. And a little Boofle bear fleece blanket. Some more bedding. So I got this 2-pack of just plain white fitted sheets for the pram. These 2-pack Jungle Dreams cot bed sheets. And these Tutti Bambini bedside crib fitted sheets. The little bunnies on, I thought they were super cute. Got this blue marshmallow blanket, and I'm pretty sure I've got a white one somewhere. I just can't find it right now, but it's definitely somewhere. I got this used my first year Beatrix Potter baby book. It looks super cute. And obviously it's got all the Beatrix Potter illustrations in throughout. Oops. And all the different sections here to complete. I just love all the little illustrations, they're super cute. Another Baby's First little book. This is from Usborne, the Animals one. And then I got her, him rather. It's going to take me a while. I think it was because this was actually my daughter's. So I got her this when she was newborn, and obviously this is going to be for the baby now. She was happy to give it to him. And then I did get him his own new one. Got him this little hippo rattle. Okay, so we'll move on to more of the larger items now, and at the end I'll show you clothes. So I did get the Philips Advent Steam Sterilizer. I do intend to breastfeed. I did breastfeed my daughter as well, but you never know. And also, you know, if he has a pacifier or dummy or whatever, then that can go in there. Multi-use that you can use it for, so it was on sale, so I'd grab it. This is the bedside bassinet or crib that we decided to go for, so it's the Graco Sweet to Sleep. I really like this one because you can obviously lower it the side down so they're right up against the bed, but obviously in their own space, and it has little straps and things that you can attach to the bed. It also tilts or reclines, which I think is really helpful, especially if having reflux or anything like that, and obviously not for sleeping at night, but you know, for during the day or whatever. And also you can adjust the height, and so that's one of the reasons why, or several of the reasons why I went for this one. I got a little bouncer seat. Never heard of the name, but it was a really good price and it looked cute, so we'll see what we think. I'll insert a picture of it so you can see it once it's out of this box. And this was the gym I originally got. This is the Fisher-Price Rainforest Sensory Gym. Very similar to the one my daughter had, but slightly more modern. They've updated the design, but I'll insert a picture of that as well. For the cot, we went with the Oh Baby, and it's the Bantam cot bed. Again, I'll insert a picture because I haven't set that up yet. And then in this big package is the mattress, again, which I'll insert a picture of. We got this Disney, a Hawk or Hawk, I don't know how you pronounce it, but sit and relax high chair. But what I really like about it is that they can sit in there from newborn, but they're higher up off the ground, which is great if you've got pets. My dogs are perfectly safe and everything else, but I would much prefer for him to be off the ground because they wouldn't bite, but they would lick. So I really do like this design, and also when we're doing school and stuff, they can sit at the table and things. I just think it's really cute. And obviously they might not want to, but the option's there. And then once they're older, once they're 6 months, they can go into the little high chair. Okay, and then for the biggest items, I went with the Casato Wow Free in Doodle Days pattern. So it's really cute, little rainbows on foxes. You get the little fox toy with it. I'm going to do a separate video with this, like a demo review of it. So once it's all set up and everything. So I'm just leaving it in its bag for now, but that'll be in a separate video so you can see it in more depth. There's the chassis, and then you get the little seat from 6 months to go with, and it also came with a car seat and the car seat base and the changing bag and foot muff. So I'll show you those in a second. The car seat's still in its box, I haven't got it out yet, but everyone knows what a car seat looks like, but it's the same design, the Doodle Days pattern. And I did get the 360 base, which swivels all the way around for when you put them in the car, which I think is really helpful. I did not have that with my daughter, and the amount of times you'd be like, oh, trying to stretch to put them in. So I really love that, especially in the small car parking spaces that we have here. So I'm really happy to try that out and see what we think. But again, I'll show you all of that in the next video for the pram system. This is the Ultimate Foot Muff, so it's got the rainbow and fox print on one side, and then it's the blue on the other side. So thick and cozy, perfect for winter. And then the change bag comes in this little drawstring bag, which I thought was a really nice touch. And this is the change bag that I got to go with. It was part of the set. So it's in this lovely brown colour. Tons of zip pockets. It also comes with the... This is the change bag that came as part of the package. So it's the Ultimate Changing Bag from Casato. It's in this lovely brown colour. It has several pockets. You've got your front one, obviously the main. There's one at the back, and then inside there is tons of space. You've got a big flap at the back here, which apparently you can put a laptop in. You have got 2 side pockets here at the front. Then it comes with a bottle holder and also a change mat as well. And with a little zip at the top too. Okay, moving on to clothes now. So I got this little, well, this isn't always technically clothes, but this little sleep sack. This is 2.5 tog, 0 to 6 months. I do have some of my daughters still that can be gender neutral, so I just needed to get one more. I've got these cute little hats for when he's first born, and the spots as well. These little long sleeve bodysuits. This is up to 1 month. So we've got the Highland, and then this one is all Highlands all over. There's a little moo on it, and then a little farm one with the Highlands in the trailer. I thought they are adorable. This little teddy sleeper with the feet. I love anything with feet. So the little Highland cow ones were from Next. The little sleep sack was from Tesco. These are from Next again. These in the next sale. So they are the double zip ones. So we've got the different prints here. He's due in February, so he needs some kind of little warm pram suit, and this is adorable. Little bear feet, little bear ears, and then on the back it says Baby Bear, and this is from Tesco. This little Cookie Monster bodysuit with pants. Mummy's little cub sleep suit. That was from Sainsbury's, and then this one is from Very. Cutest little brother little suit. This is from Very as well. It's Hello World, I'm New Here. Thought it was adorable with a little rainbow on. A 3-pack of the zip suits. These are from Tesco. And then another 3-pack of the little zip suits, and they look so tiny in real life. The camera does not show how tiny they are. Some crabs, little palm trees, and little whales. They're from Next. And these ones are from my daughter when she was a baby, that I thought would be gender neutral. So this little fish one, this is from Baby Gap. Little fish sleep suit. And this is my daughter's coming home outfit, and I thought it'd be so cute if they could wear the same thing. I'm hoping for a home birth this time, but either way, I want this to be the first little proper outfit. So it's this little bodysuit, and then it has the pants with the stars on the feet, and then the little hat. It's a warm little jacket. This is from Next. Again, this was my daughter's little set, so it's got the pants, 2 different bodysuits, and then this little top, and then this little cute zebra vesty. So in the 0 to 3 category, I've got this, I think it's 4-pack, 5-pack even, of long sleeve vests, or bodysuits, or how, onesies, whatever you want to call them. So the little cute little prints. I like this one because it's got the cats on. Little lions, and then sloths. So those are from Next. This is from Tesco. It's got this little cardigan with the little button vest, and then the little teddy pants. And it's got a little teddy on the back. Another little pram suit. This is up to 3 months. Again with the feet nice and cozy for winter. And we've got some sleep suits. These are dinosaur themed, and then teddy bear. And then these are just long sleeve white bodysuits. The up to 3 months little dinosaur zip sleep suits again. And then you've got this one as well as print. A couple of cute My First Easter outfits. So a little sleep suit, and then pants and a little top, because it'll be in the right time frame, so I had to. That's our first holiday once he's here. Again, those are from Next, and then this is from Primark. This little homegrown set. So you've got the sleeper, the bib, and the little vest. So I'm 3 to 6 months now. I have got a little 3-pack of sleep suits and then this little short sleeve pack of bodysuits. Another pack of sleep suits. These are bear themed. It's a cute little outfit with the dungarees and the bear bodysuit underneath. That's Tesco. And again, it's a cute little set. So you get the vest and the little hat. You also get a sleep suit and then some pants as well. This one's from Very, little bodysuit with little pants with little trees on. From Tesco, I've got 3 little pairs of pants, different prints, and then the little tops to go with. And then little bluey hats. That's everything I've got clothing wise. So far, obviously I'll have to get some more things. I've only gone up to 3 to 6 because I want to see, you know, his size and everything else, how quickly he grows. I'd also pretty much stuck to the sizes, but obviously he's a boy, it might be different, I don't know. Don't want to buy too much and then it'd be in the wrong season and everything else. So that's what I've got so far. I'll probably get a few things on Black Friday and Christmas sales. So if you want to check out any more pregnancy or baby related content, I have a membership on my channel where all my videos are, so you can just click the join button at the bottom of the video to join, and then you'll see my pregnancy updates and everything else. And I also will be doing things like, you know, getting everything ready, nesting with me, and all those types of fun videos. And soon that'll all be on my membership though, but on this channel I will be posting my review and demonstration of the Casato Wow Free pram and travel system. So thanks so much for watching. Take care. See you soon.